Mamasita Nicoll, of course. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe after you watching my video. Yes, so today i-share ko sa inyo how to juice the lemon using the citrus juicer. So let's start, guys. So this is all the lemon I have. We have a lot of lemon to make a juice. And I already washed the lemon before we gonna cut it. I'm super excited to see how much the juice in this lemon. I have a cutting board so we can cut the lemon in here. So now I'm going to cut the lemon, guys. Another one. And another, and another. Until I have more lemon I already slice. And this is our lemon juicer. So they have two things in here. I'm gonna fold this. So the first one is the lemon and the other one, the smaller, is limes. So I'm going to use the lemon one. And then they have something here you need to press for the drain. You can be a bigger and you can have a smaller. It's up to you if what kind do you want to use. And this one, guys, is like a drain. You can pulp in here how much you want. Just like this. Okay. And then we're gonna put this back. And as you can see, when you put the lemons in here, and you need to back again, and then start over again, it's going to backward. So, ito na siya, guys. Maraming seeds dito. So, kailangan natin ilinisan yan. And this is the first 1 pitcher lemon. I need to transfer that for another pitcher. Oh, tingnan nyo naman. Ang dami, diba? Mga, ano lang yan, mga 7 lemons lang yata yan. So, ito yung pangalawang picture, guys. O, diba? Another. At tapos, i-transfer na naman natin ito sa picture natin. Yes. Oh my God. Look at that. ito naman yung pang tatlo natin. Wow! Malapit na talaga siya mapuno, guys. Ayan guys, I almost done. So guys, I'm done already. This is all the lemons I squeezed already. Look at that. How much is this? So now, I pour the lemon juice in the ice cubes so I can put this in the freezer. And after in the freezer, I need to transfer this in the Ziploc so I can use this for how many months? So anyway guys, I'm done juicing the lemon. Ito na siya. O diba? It's one picture is a lot of juice. So I can make this margarita of course, and lemonade of course. And bago pa dyan guys, gusto kong i-try yung lemon natin kung organic ba talaga siya, kung masarap. So anyway, i-test ko muna ito kung maasim-asim ba or matamis-tamis. Okay? It's not bad. It's really good. It tastes little bit sweet and little bit sour. Nag-mix talaga sila, guys. So, since i-premiere ko ito, mag-shoutout tayo. Shoutout dyan kay Ate Lorena TV, Kuya GB TV, at kay Gisabel JT, hello sis, at kay D. Walters, hello din sa'yo sis, at kay Kuya Season PH TV, mega shoutout to you Kuya, at sa mga tao dyan kay Ma'am Bitchay, mega shoutout to you ma'am, at kay Mami Bitcha TV, mega shoutout to you, at kay Inday Pangga TV, yes! So anyway, kung sino man kayo nandyan sa premiere ko, mega shoutout po sa inyong lahat. At thanks for watching and like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always updated for my new video. Bye guys and be always safe. God bless.